Hello viewers, Play Store app not downloading, showing this error pending. No app being downloaded from the Play Store. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, just first of all check your internet connection is stable, and then just go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store. Now click on profile icon. Now click on settings. Now click on network preference. From here you can see app download preference. Now click on this option. From here select over any network. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now go to settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on apps management. Now click on search bar and search Play Store. Now click on Play Store. Now scroll down, click on storage uses. Now click on clear data. Now click on delete. Now go back, click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store. Now try to install any apps and see problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.